Hi everyone, greetings from Sri Vidyaniketan Public School, Sri Ram Nagar. Welcome to the Geography online class, MOY revision class. Today let us see the last unit in population chapter, that is the characteristics of population. What possible questions could be asked over this unit? Let us see. The very first question could be asked, what is age composition? The age composition of a population refers to the number of people in different age groups. One more possible question is there, into how many groups it is being classified. It is classified in or grouped into three groups. That is, first one is called as children below 15 years, and working population 15 to 59 years, and aged people, that is above 59 years. This is the possible question could be asked on this. And the next one is sex ratio. Over this also one more question could be asked. Define sex ratio. It is the number of females per 1000 males in the population. Here we state has the highest density, sex ratio. Kerala, we see here Kerala has the highest sex ratio. Over that also question may be asked, that is for 1000 males 1058 females are there. Apart from that, the next question could be asked is literacy rates. Over this is also another one quality of a population. Literacy, over this also question may be asked, that is who is a literate. According to 2001 report or 11 report, a person aged 7 years and above who can read and write with understanding in any language is treated as a literate. Over this also question could be asked. Apart from that, what is the literacy rate in India? Over that also question may be asked. That is, as per 2001 report, 64.84% people are literate in India. And the next possible question is occupational structure. The percentage of population, here the population could be classified into, occupational structure refers to the distribution of the population according to different type of occupations is referred as occupational structure. Once again, here we see there are three categories are. It is classified into three groups. One is called as primary, which includes agriculture and animal husbandry. This also could be asked a question. Secondary, it includes manufacturing, and tertiary activities includes transport, communication, commerce, administration, etc. Apart from that, with regard to health is concerned, question could be asked, that is death rates have been declined from 25% to per thousand population in 1951 to 8.1 per thousand in 2001. Over this, what is the percentage of death, what percent of death rate have been decreased according to the census report only question could be asked. Apart from that, to improve the health condition, what steps have been taken? That is, safe drinking water is being supplied, basic sanitation amenities have been provided. These all have been provided to overcome the health issues. Next one is the adolescent population. This adolescent population come under the group of 10 to 19 years. Apart from that, over this what are the problems faced by the adolescent population? Question can be asked. That is, especially the girls have to be here we see that inadequate in all adolescence is inadequate in all nutrients. Apart from that, many adolescent girls suffer from anemia. So these problems are there. How they could be overcome? Here, adequate attention in the process of development of their health has to be taken, and the adolescent girls have to be sensitized to the problem they have. Then comes a national population policy. This policy was launched in the year 2000. So what are its objectives? Free and compulsory school education up to 14 years of age, reducing infant mortality rate below 30 per thousand live births, Apart from that, universal immunization. Apart from that, what you call promoting delayed marriages for girls and making family welfare programs. So now let us go to the worksheet. Here the very first question, that is worksheet number 8. In this you see, choose the correct option and write. The number of people living in different age groups is referred to as what you call age composition. The working population comprise in 15 to 59 years is the right answer. The number of female per thousand male in the population is referred as what you call sex ratio. According to 2011 report, a person aged 7 years and above who can read and write with understanding in any language is treated as illiterate. Which among the following state has the highest literacy state in India? Again we see Kerala only. Literacy as well as sex ratio both are Kerala only. When was the national population policy launched? It was launched in the year 2000. What is age composition? Already we have explained. Categories of age composition, already it is being said. Children and what you call adult and working population. Sex ratio, already it is repeated. Number of females per thousand male. Which state has the highest sex ratio? That is Kerala has. Write the classification of occupations, that is primary, secondary and the tertiary occupation. Mention any two problems faced by adolescent population. Nutrition problem, at the same time girls suffer from anemia. Objectives of national population policy: free and compulsory education, family welfare programs, then what you call promotion of delaying of marriages, promotion of what you call health programs are the objectives of NPP. So refer textbook and go through the lead textbook also and revise. All the best for your exams. Thank you.